Good morning, everyone, and welcome to, by far, the most ridiculous vehicle I own. It's fixed, it's insured, and I even tagged this thing, and that means it's time to go terrorize South Central Kansas for no discernible reason. Starting with probably this Porsche. Driving the 911, but he's actually who sold me this. You got it as a trade-in like a year ago.
I did, yes. I own this for one day. You can't give me any crap about this car.
Nope. Yeah, this was, they had just like, what was it? Old dude had like put a new turbo in it and then just kind of was done.
No, there's records. He spent like $4,000 having the turbo, the clutch maybe, something.
behind the scenes action. Jake is going to come ripping around this corner any second now. And hopefully some of these cows in the background can make some authentic Midwestern noises, which they have been until I started recording. Typical cows.
It's so hard to heel toe shift or do any sort of like technical footwork in.
Made the good sound. Cows, your thoughts? Anybody? Of course, they're always quiet when I hit record.
It's mushy and soft, but still, like, it kind of goes through quarters.
Honestly, well, I am impressed because you kept pace. I can't tell if I'm terrified because I'm in this scene. Yeah, it's way downtown.
More than anything, I'm just kind of impressed with the tires.
Yeah, really, what are you on?
Like Valera Sports?
Oh, yeah, crap.
Yeah. It's just,
Well, A, scared, B, shaking down the car.
I can't tell if this is stock power or not. Because
That's gotta be more.
I haven't done any power upgrades to this, and it is still a stock turbo. I guess the tell will be I need to look at what injectors it has, because if they're stock injectors, it really couldn't, they can't do much more than stock power.
I'd tell you drive an SRT4, but where's the last stock one?
There are none. There are no SRT4.
Way off in the distance here. Anything yet? Something happened. Guys, react. Nothing. Worthless beef.
What are cool down?
Honestly, staying nice and cool.
Oh, no, I'm talking about the brakes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm surprised as hell at how not complete garbage these brakes are.
Are the pads, or not the pads, are the rotors warped? I thought I felt that, but it could just be...
Yes. Yes, they are. I don't think they were at the beginning of this.
Yeah.
Ha, got him. Oh, they knew. That's so frustrating. It's freaking cow. Who knew camera shy cows existed?
Some real interesting cow saga things going on back there.
Oh, really?
You were gone, yeah.
Did it look impressive as we went by?
You know, in person it did. It sounded really good. And you could just hear the roar of tire noise in the distance. And then as you got closer, turbo sounds.
It's not awful, like, just to kind of drive around in like this.
Right.
I might actually miss this car a little bit. What's shocking to me is that the brakes haven't overheated.
Yeah. I mean, like I was saying off camera, I was like, nothing about this was designed for spirited driving, even in GT form. So
Yeah.
the fact that it's able to do it at all is good. And then the fact that it's pretty good at it.
Yeah, I mean, it was keeping up with the Porsche.
Yeah.
Okay, turning radius. Here we go. Terrible. I'm just gonna go on an excursion through the field here. Stop, please.
Oh. Brakes a little warm now?
It wasn't all of the brakes, but that was a lot of the brakes.
Didn't feel like it, so that's always good.
All the noise. I'm gonna miss this.
So good.
I think I might actually miss this when I sell it, but I don't think I'll ever own another one. This is something everyone needs to. This is definitely something to own.
Would you say it's an own? It's not a give it a whirl?
I don't know.
It's an own.
It's an experience. I don't know if it's an experience where you can get the full effect just from driving it once.
Right.
Partly because it's so horrifying, you really need to figure out what it can do. It's a bridge.
Oh, God, that's the one that I was talking about.
Yeah, it's that one. Gosh, that is brutal. Well, as much fun as it is to wrestle this thing around the twisties, I am getting a little bit tired of it, so we went and got ourselves some delicious nuggies from Wendy's, my goodness. And now we're here in beautiful Winfield, Kansas, which is both the home of Weston Champlin and Epicenter Garage. And we're going to go visit Brian of Epicenter Garage, and I don't know. I legitimately don't know the plan is. I'm not the one making the plan here. I'm just along for the ride. This car, though, surprising. Very surprising. Especially on these crap tires and crap suspension. I think everyone should experience something like this. Something dumb. Something really dumb. We have ever used an unreasonable amount of fuel. Like 132 miles, we are well below half a tank. I think that this probably has a boost leak somewhere, and is running really rich, so hopefully that's an easy fix. I don't know. Boost leak testing is kind of an annoying process, but I'll probably look into that at some point, maybe. Well, we had a great time walking around Epicenter Garage. Make sure to check out his channel if you want to see what he has. His collection is absolutely insane. I didn't really record anything because, I mean, it was a social visit. I wasn't going to impose. But I am absolutely exhausted now. I think about halfway back to the Epicenter Garage, I just kind of... I was kind of over it at that point. I'm kind of ready to be done now. I want my BMW back. I mean, this thing is a lot of fun and I love the noises, but there is something to be said about the ease of driving and the sereneness of my 3 Series. This is a very neat car, though. I've identified a few more things that I'd like to fix, but then before long this thing will be for sale, probably next month or so. I think I'd like to drop the oil pan and fix that leak. It's not dripping, but it is weeping, so, you know, might as well. Oil pan is super easy on these. It's kind of funny, a little anachronistic how easy some things are to fix on this car, and others are very much not. So if a car that sounds like this is something that you're after, keep an eye out for a video. I'll post a video when it's for sale, or just shoot me an offer now, I guess. Either way, Thanks for watching.